Here's how to update your iPhone to iOS 26 step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, make sure your iPhone supports iOS 26 and has enough storage space available. Connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug it into a charger to avoid update interruptions. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check for iOS 26. When iOS 26 appears, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted. After the download finishes, tap Install Now. Your iPhone will restart during the update. Once the update is complete, unlock your iPhone and finish the setup process. If you don't see the update, try restarting your iPhone and checking again. And that's it. You've successfully updated your iPhone to iOS 26. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.